The Navigator U31W comes up with an 18.3 x 19.8 x 4.3 cm in its dimension, with a weight of 85 gram, flight time 7 minutes, flight range 30 meters, battery is LiPo 350 mAh 7.4 volts with a charging time up to 75 minutes, video recording modes HD 1280 x 720p with a max video bitrate to 30 Mbps. The DROCON U31W quadcopter comes with a 2-megapixel 720p HD camera with a 120-degree wide-angle camera. The camera can't be removed or changed because the camera is built-in. There are some drones who are compatible with the sports camera like the GoPro, for example, the Holy Stone HS700 and many others. The DROCON U31W has a solid black color with a few yellow lines that gives him a sporty look. The camera is fixed at the front of the drone, so you have to be careful not to crash the drone at his head because the camera will be damaged too. The drone is capable of FPV first-person view transmitting, which gives you the chance to use the drone with your phone as well. You can see in live transmission what your drone is seeing. And for making your FPV experience a better one, there is a phone holder on the remote control that there's even more. You can connect your smartphone to a VR or virtual reality with which you'll have the exact same feelings that you're flying. The photos and videos taken with the drone are stacked on a micro SD card which has to be inserted in the drone. The manufacturers don't provide a memory card with a package, you will have to buy it. When buying a memory card, pay attention to the following aspects: the storage size, the speed class. The best is to be from 8 to 10, and the speed from 80 Mbps. A good memory card could be more expensive, but if you want to have a long life memory card, better pay attention to this aspect. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and if you want more, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. So mga coolmates, see you in my next video.